Welcome back to the Auto Chapter. The 2026 Audi RSQ8 isn't just an SUV. It's a full-blown performance machine wrapped in luxury and cutting-edge technology. With subtle but meaningful updates this year, Audi continues to sharpen its flagship performance SUV, making it even more desirable for those who want the heart of a supercar with the utility of a family vehicle. From the outside, the RSQ8 demands attention. The signature single-frame grille is now wider and bolder, framed by re-sculpted air intakes that make the front end even more aggressive. Audi's laser matrix LED headlights are now standard, with dynamic lighting animations that look futuristic, both when unlocking and on the road. Around the sides, the coupe-like silhouette is unchanged but still striking, especially with the flared wheel arches housing 22-inch wheels standard, or optional 23-inch forged alloys for the boldest look. Around back, the RSE-specific bumper, oval dual exhaust outlets, and a new rear diffuser design give it an unmistakable high-performance identity. Optional carbon fiber exterior packages add an even more menacing edge. Inside, the RSQ8 continues to blend opulence with track-inspired design. The cabin features high-grade materials throughout, including Valcona leather with honeycomb stitching, Alcantara headliner, and real carbon fiber or brushed aluminum trim. For 2026, Audi has refreshed the MMI interface with a faster processor and crisper graphics on the dual touchscreens, 10.1 inches on top and 8.6 inches below. A fully digital 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit Plus remains, but it now includes new RS-specific performance displays, including G-forces, torque split, lap timers, and more. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system delivers an immersive audio experience that's just as refined as the rest of the vehicle. The front seats are deeply bolstered RS sport seats with ventilation, massage, and heating. Rear seat passengers are treated to generous legroom, soft-touch surfaces, and optional rear climate controls. Despite its performance focus, the RSQ8 doesn't sacrifice practicality. Cargo space remains generous, with folding rear seats making it capable of weekend getaways or everyday utility. Under the hood, the RSQ8 is powered by a monstrous 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, delivering 591 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. That's enough to launch this 5,300-pound SUV from 0 to 60 in just 3.6 seconds. Paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive, power delivery is both brutal and seamless. The RS-tuned adaptive air suspension and dynamic ride control ensure a composed ride whether you're carving canyon roads or cruising on the highway. For 2026, subtle tweaks to the suspension software improve responsiveness, and there's now a recalibrated RS mode for even quicker throttle and shift response. An optional ceramic brake package provides immense stopping power while shaving off unsprung weight. Even with its high-performance capabilities, the RSQ8 maintains a level of daily usability that few in this segment can match. It handles with agility unexpected from a vehicle of its size, yet remains quiet and composed during relaxed driving. Fuel economy isn't its strong suit, rated at around 13 mph city and 19 highway. But no one buys this SUV to save on gas. Audi also steps up its safety and tech game, offering adaptive cruise assist with lane centering, intersection assist, 360-degree cameras, and the latest in predictive pedestrian and cyclist detection. A new head-up display with expanded projection range and turn-by-turn RS mode overlays further enhances driver focus. Pricing for the 2026 Audi RSQ8 starts at approximately $126,000, with fully loaded models crossing the $145,000 mark when you include options like the carbon ceramic brakes, executive package, and upgraded wheels. It's undoubtedly a premium price tag, but for what you get, performance, luxury, tech, and style, it's one of the most complete packages on the market. Whether you're chasing lap times or just want to dominate the school run in style, the RSQ8 remains the definitive performance SUV that does it all and looks spectacular doing it. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more high-performance content, and drop your thoughts on the 2026 RSQ8 in the comments below. Thanks for watching.